looking at this 1970 Plymouth Superbird that's been sitting roughly since 1986. Here I am in Indiana looking at this 1970 Plymouth Superbird that's been sitting roughly since 1986. And while it is yellow, if we look in here real quick, you can see it's an actual original petty blue car. We're gonna roll it out here in a minute because it's going on to a new home. But yeah, I'll do a better video when we actually pull it out. The current owner has owned it since 1989, drove it around a bit, and then put it away to keep it safe. Real quick, I just want to show there's the wings, and there's the original headlight buckets and such. And this one you can see more of the original petty blue underneath there. Very cool. All right, and here we just pop the hood real quick. Show the original 440 4-barrel car. Power disc brakes. And here you can see a little bit more of the original petty blue. But yeah, original engine, original transmission. Some really cool stuff. Even has not the original bias ply, but it has Goodyear bias plies on it. There's actually paint falling off. That is cool. Alright, well, we might be rolling it right into the trailer. So I better,
We shouldn't try and get it out here first, you know what I mean?
Oh, no, I agree. I think that, but I'm worried about the lip. I mean, yeah, there's some wood right here. We could just put some wood down and roll it out. I agree. I think rolling it out would be the best bet. There's parts over there. And original. Oh, wow. I even realized they took the vinyl top off. Do they?
Back in the 70s, I got this picture on my phone. He had a picture of it.
Yeah.
They added, it was petty blue then, and then they added the red to it. Did they show you the picture?
No, they haven't shown me the picture yet.
You know, you're supposed to drive it.
Yeah. My 71 Challenger's been sitting for 25 years, so I have no place to talk. All right. Tom, put it on put it in neutral. Okay, it's moving. Oh yeah, there we go. Now it's gonna go when you, here we go, it's on the ramp. Straight, Tom. Straight. Straight ahead. Now start cutting it this way. Oop. You got it. Wow.
Out of its nest.
Indeed.
Wow. Okay.
Wow, that actually was.
It's a Mopar.
It's a Mopar. They do roll easy when they aren't running.
And then they aren't running. Oh,
I found the honeycomb. See that?
Oh yeah, I see it. The screen.
Yeah, the screen.
Oh,
Hey, you got 70 satellite taillights in here. That's awesome.
Yeah, those
are satellite taillights.
There's some regular ones over there. So
Yeah, those are the original because those are the blue. You can see the petty blue on them.
Right. Wow, guys. That's so cool, though, John.
That is cool.
Really gonna go to a fantastic.
All I ask is when you do get it done, you're going to be able to drive it.
Oh yeah.
Automatic on the floor. 51,000 original miles. You can see the mice have taken hold, unfortunately.
They've been hungry. They get hungry too.
Yeah, now that you are, I'm not going to slam this.
Yeah. Is something running over there? Oh, yeah, for her. Okay. Yeah, no, that's fine. No, I can understand it.
And there's the new owner. He's 2. He's helping. That is just so cool.
They clean up and be an original, you know. When
All right, just gonna walk around it real quick. So here you can see the petty blue is flaking off, or is coming through in a whole bunch of different spots.
Did you see inside the trunk way
Yeah,
way up in there?
you can see along the trunk lip,
Here.
original panels, another console.
Yeah, that's the original.
Oh, here's the other scoop. We found the second scoop.
Yeah, he found the one on the floor too.
Okay. Oh, there's a third one? Oh, I didn't see that one.
Just two.
You can see that someone removed the vinyl top. I have a picture that I'll add in the video.
I'm gone.
He doesn't see tall. I know. I know. I want more trees on our property. Just kind of like the front.
They're cool, but they're such
Real U-code 440 Superbird.
Comes a zero turn, cut my mowing like a third.
Polyglass tires. Not the originals, but still very cool. Oh, they got the window open. The other one's stuck. You can see that they let it in the nose at some point.
We have a lot next door.
Hey, Tom?
Yes.
Let's try this one.
That's cool.
All right.
So they put all the trim and stuff in here. So you see some petty blue stuff.
Nobody takes care of it though.
All right, educate Chris. We hate to. You don't want to clean any of that
So
stuff
cool.
out right now, do you? For the barn find. He wants you.
All right, we just unloaded it from the trailer.
You're not here. Ryan, you're gonna have
And-
to find them for him.
Oh boy. Like I said, Magnum Restoration.
I don't want to scratch the paint, Chris. Don't scratch the paint. This one's
Like I said in the other video, you can see the original petty blue. It actually was red. It's actually blue. Petty blue, then it was painted red, then it's painted yellow. You can see the original blue in there. Yeah, it's been sitting, we think, actually since '79. But it's a little rusty, but not too bad. This 1970 Superbird was really cool to be able to be there to document it coming out of the barn where, yeah, it hadn't sat there for that long in this exact barn, but it had been sitting on and off since 1979 when it was in an accident, and that's why the vinyl top was removed, and the nose was what they call leaded in, where the seam where it connects to the body was removed. Still a really cool car. It's going to be restored. Not sure if it's going to go back to day 2 or original, but still really neat. Wasn't that Superbird really cool? It's amazing to think that there's so many of them still stashed away in all kinds of hidden locations. I was just fortunate enough to be able to document this one being rescued, but it's still a really cool car, to say the least. It's unfortunate that's not a real petty blue car. That would have made it a little bit more special, but still, it's a beautiful lemon twist 440 car, and it definitely will have a bright future. Chris, the owner, is actually going to be bringing it to the Muscle Car and Corvette Nationals in Chicago this November 2021. It will be on display in my section, the Barn Finds and Hidden Gems display. If you'd like to come say hi, I'll be there. The car will be there, and quite a few others. But otherwise, I'll see you all soon. Be safe, be happy, be healthy, and stay out of trouble-ish.